Welcome to Janus Biotech India Private Limited. Who we are. Janus Biotech is a leading pharmaceutical company and manufacturers in India. Since 1957 in pharmaceutical field. Our history. We started our retail business in 1957. After success, our business moved to a wholesale distributions of medicine in Rajasthan. In 2021, after hard work of our team and customers, we bought our first manufacturing unit, Sustol Remedies. We also have one more own manufacturing unit in Haryana named MSPF. Now we have 2500 plus products and more than 11 divisions in all range of products. Names of our divisions are Thea, Janus Gold, Janus, Rumi Respicare, Rumi Pharma, Janus Nutravedic, Lanka Life Sciences, Nix, and many more to come. For more information, visit www.janusbiotech.co.in. You can contact our expert team through mail or contact number. Our mail ID is care@janusbiotech.in. Our WhatsApp and call contact number is 95177999177. Thanks for watching.